The International IP SME Help Desk has landed in Madrid for Sales Summit, one of the three big events when it comes to innovation and startups. And we're here not just to watch, we're here to help.
2.5 days just isn't enough to take in everything this event has to offer. Talks and panels, roundtables, and pitches are all part of a packed schedule that finishes off with the Startup Contest Final, where along with the booths, European entrepreneurs get the chance to showcase their inventions and apps, grow their network, and strike up some business.
Honestly, it's amazing how much innovation and creativity you can find in one place, and it all comes from SMEs and startups from Europe. But what really worries me is that many of them haven't even registered their company's name or their flagship product as a trademark in the very territories where they already have distributors, clients, and partners waiting for them. And I've found many that claim that they are fully protected in terms of IP and they're ready to go abroad, specifically in the big markets, even mentioning trademarks and patents. However, it turns out that they didn't register anything. So that's kind of a lie, isn't it?
Thank God, lots of people have had a wake-up call after chatting with our experts. But I couldn't leave South Summit without putting the attendees' practical IP knowledge to the test. The game's simple. 3 phrases I keep hearing from seasoned entrepreneurs in startups, and 5 contenders to figure out if they're true or false. It's better to show off my product first, and once I've got funding and see there's real interest, then I will apply for a patent.
I think it's true. Okay, true.
First, the patents. Second, show your products. False.
Sí, verdadero.
Usually you need to make the patent first, right? Before actually showing the product. So that means that it's false.
False.
No, false?
Okay.
I don't need to register my trademark abroad if I'm only manufacturing in Europe and it's my local distributors who handle the imports.
Is it true? False.
False. No.
False.
Lo que yo creería y lo que yo siempre indico es siempre tienes que registrar la marca. Estés donde estés, siempre se tiene que registrar.
No?
False.
Okay.
You'd better patent your software. Otherwise, it's unprotected and no investor would be interested in it.
Unprotected. It's false.
It's because there are some investors that actually are interested in the idea, but you need to have it like protected. So I would say that it's true.
True, but depend of the investors.
I think it's false. True.
Ok, verdadero.
Correct.
Falso.
No, false.
En Perú lo que pasa es que todas las marcas se van creando y van aplicándose a cuentas de Instagram, pero normalmente o muchas de ellas no se registran. Luego, cuando quieres inscribir la marca, no puedes, porque ya hay otra persona que inscribió su marca. Entonces, hay marcas de 10 años que no se han inscrito, que no tienen la propiedad y ya no pueden utilizar ese nombre. Todo lo que han invertido para que la marca llegue a tener la cantidad de personas y el renombre de 10 años se acabó. Entonces es un intangible que tiene de hecho mucho valor, pero que una persona no puede utilizarlo.
What else can I say?